So what is a forum? Okay, so you might have seen forums on the internet somewhere. So it's just places where you can have discussions with other people. So this is an example of what a forum might look like. There's a discussion going on over here between certain people. So it's interactive websites where people can take part in discussions. And forums allow users to post their own comments on the website. So that is a forum. Explain the difference between a moderated and an unmoderated forum and the relative security of these. So a moderated forum is one where all the user comments are checked by an administrator before they are posted onto the forum. Unmoderated forums are also used for online discussions, but they do not have administrators or moderators. So just in a forum, so basically in an unmoderated forum, anyone can post any details in the forum. They can put any comments that they want in that forum. Their comments won't be checked or they won't be removed if they are inappropriate. But in a moderated forum, there will be people that will be checking what is posted in the discussions, and if it is anything inappropriate or goes against their rules online for these forums, then moderators can, for example, remove those comments. So in a moderated forum, there's an administrator. In an unmoderated forum, there are no administrators or moderators. So comparing the security of moderated and unmoderated forums. So in a moderated forum, there's no racist or offensive content because it's monitored. There's no swearing, less chance of being exposed to spam. Personal data is more secure as forum moderators will not allow phishing attempts to be posted. In an unmoderated forum, however, there's a high chance of being exposed to racist or offensive content. Comments containing swear words are common. Spam adverts are frequently posted. And greater risk of being exposed to phishing attempts, so personal data at more risk in an unmoderated forum. So hopefully these two compared in terms of security makes some sense. Explain the concept of and how to recognize spam mail. So spam is sometimes called junk mail or bulk email. So an email is probably spam if, so these are just some ways that you can recognize if the emails you receive are spam. You don't know the person who sent the email. You are being asked to buy something or send cash. You are being asked to send passwords, bank details, or other personal information. The email is full of spelling or grammar errors. You're asked to carry out a task immediately. The email contains a link which you're asked to click. Or you are being addressed with dear customer or valued member instead of your actual name. So these are just some ways to identify whether or not an email that you have received could be spam or not. How do you prevent spam? Okay, so the two ways that we are going to talk about here. So just have a look in your book if they give you other ways to do this. You can use spam filters. So these are included with most email accounts and can be used to automatically separate junk email from legitimate emails. And don't post your email on public websites like chat rooms or social networking sites. Spammers can simply read your email address and then add it to their distribution list. So these are ways to prevent spam from being received in your email. Define the term computer virus and describe its effects. So viruses are programs that automatically make copies of themselves and then attach to other files within the computer. Can corrupt or delete files, make the system run slower, etc. Other effects are annoying pop-up messages on the screen. They can clog up the computer so that it slows down and crashes a lot. Delete important files or data. And access personal data like passwords, bank details, or credit card numbers. So just in case, so the main thing about viruses, when you're describing a virus, you have to say that it can replicates, and it's a program, and that it corrupts or deletes files. And these are just some other effects that the viruses can have on your computer, obviously besides the deleting of files or corruption of files. Okay, and lastly, describe the effects of infecting a computer with a virus from a downloaded file. So annoying pop-up messages on the screen could occur. Can clog up your computer so it slows down and crashes a lot. Delete important files or data. access to personal data like passwords, bank details, or credit card numbers. So it's pretty much the same effects of just having a virus on a computer, because they all have the same effects unless they're specific viruses. So these are going to be the same as the effects on the previous slide. Okay, cool. So that is it. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of the information that you've seen in this video. I hope it was alright.